I have questions, but am I asking them right? So often, my inner dialogue is, why aren't you good enough? Why don't they like me? I've gone above and beyond what I normally do. What am I doing wrong? The problem with these questions is that they only confirm my negative thought patterns. So what questions should I be asking myself? We have to be very intentional about this because our brains are designed to solve. And if we don't give it a good problem, it's going to make one up on its own. And it'll cause us to worry and stress about things that don't even exist. So here are 3 ways to start asking the right questions. First, we need to see ourselves in positive lighting. We have to see ourselves in the game. If you haven't read Gap and Gain by Dan Sullivan, I highly recommend it. Number 2, then we need to identify the measurable goals in our life. So often we measure ourselves to an idea of something, and unfortunately, that is unattainable. That measurement is not something that we can actually measure. Instead, we should be looking back at the progress that we have achieved. And then number 3, finally, once our mindset has shifted and the correct measurements have been assessed, is when we can start to change how we ask our questions. Instead of, why am I not good enough? It's, what else can I achieve in this situation? Instead of, why don't they like me? It's, how can I